Cheers. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to do a quick video on the Snow Peak Kettle 1. So it is 7 ounces, 9 with the lid, so 2 ounces for the lid, 7 for the pot. Has a nice handle, and it has a nice bail which you can remove. So you can set that aside if you wanted to. It's got doesn't have a lot of moving, it has the moving parts here and the bail, but the spout is works really well. I've cooked I've cooked pasta in here. I've rehydrated chili in here. I dropped the bail on the ground because it fell through the crack. Has a 0.89 liter capacity. I'd say just under 4 cups, I think. I'll have to double check that. Comments. It's just been a really nice little pot. I mean, I've really enjoyed it. The lid is, now some could complain that the lid is not a tight fit, but that's fine because if I'm dealing with hot water, I don't want to have to struggle to get this lid off because getting burned with hot water is well, it's just not friendly. So now I have had a few issues with this. getting hot. But my solution around that is I've just taken whatever cookware I'm using, and I'll just put it under the lid and lift it off. Or you could do it with a fork, just the fork part. Or you could just take a bandana and pop it off. So, not that big a deal. The bail works really well. I've hung this from a fire a few times. So, it's just a great little pot, and it's only a $20 bill. I mean, I'm sure if you order online, you'll have to pay shipping, but I always look for free shipping if I can get it. I've seen them at REI. I've seen them at Sportsman's Warehouse. I mean, I've seen them around, so you can just get them. At your local sporting goods store, or if they don't have it, go in there and ask them if they can get it. All stainless steel, washes up pretty nice. I've just scrubbed the bottom with some SLS pad. There's some discoloration on there from use because I've had this in a fire, and it's just, I don't mind the discoloration. It shows use, which I have plenty of videos on this. Just thought I'd knock out a quick one, give you a good look at it. I got this from the Real 11T, so I'll link his channel down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Needs pepper. I gotta have some in the car.